in the kitchen of the John Paul Dejoria Sea Shepherd ship, and we're about to make cashew cheese. I know you've always wanted to learn, so this is how you do it. Just take a bunch of cashews, raw, preferably organic, and you soak them in water overnight, and then you rinse them the next day. Very simple. So they're soft. And the next thing that we're going to add is a little pinch of salt, some water, because we want that to go, but you don't want to put too much. Let's just start with that. Some lemon. This is going to alkalinize it and give it a little bit of a sour taste. Then for the magic, probiotics. So we actually made turmeric sauerkraut here on board, and so we're going to use this as our starter. So instead of putting a probiotic capsule, which you could also do, let's just put a few scoops of... Alright, so we're going to add some nutritional yeast. This stuff is great for people who are on a plant-based diet because it provides an infusion of vitamin B12, which is actually not a vitamin, it's a bacteria, and it's absorbed in our large intestine. So this stuff is delicious. It adds a cheesy flavor, and it's also very nutritious. Alright, and for the star, of course, every single thing I put, except for maybe desserts, but garlic. Let's throw some fresh garlic in there. I've chopped it beforehand. Alright, let's see what happens. You could also put different herbs. You could put cumin, you could put herb de Provence, which is delicious, truffle oil. That's a good one. Yes, that took a long time, but it's because it's so much more creamy when you can really let it go for a while. Let's taste it. Amazing. I'm not even going to touch it. That is amazing. It's so delicious. So, what's really great now is we're going to... We have a hungry crew here, so we better feed them right. And we're going to put some cashew cheese. A little snack board. We've got jicama, which is common here. It's common in Mexico. We've got yellow pepper, some apple. Oh my gosh, cashew cheese with apple. Some nori, which is my favorite. I love seaweed. Actually, seaweed's job is to clean our oceans. So by eating them, it helps us with certain toxins, different contaminants that we come across. Really delicious to try to eat seaweed almost every day. And some raw flax crackers. Flax, again, super high in omega-3 fatty acids. Really, really good for the body. So this is going to make the crew super happy.